Hi my loves, welcome to Vinny's Alisa journey. Today I'm so excited to present this dish called pan-fried Indian mackerel fish with special sauce. Look at this Indian mackerel. It is so fresh. I'm going to pan-fry it and make a homemade sauce. Homemade chili sauce that goes with it, which is so yummy, delicious and so appetizing. Enjoy!
Basically, Indian mackerel is a species of mackerel in the scombrid family. It is most commonly used in South and Southeast Asian cuisine. There are many ways we can cook this type of fish. It can be steamed, pan-fried, deep-fried, grilled, marinated, and even being salted. Due to its distinctive, unique flavor, it goes well with curry and spices too. Tamarind is celebrated for its distinctive bean-like brown pods. Tamar in Hindi means Indian date. Tamarind is used as a souring agent in many cuisines, especially those of South and Southeast Asia. You can find it in curries, marinades and sauces, and even chutneys. You can stir it into drinks and make a bowl of sorbet too. Let us begin our journey by preparing this fried mackerel with spicy tamarind sauce. Yummy! Look how appetizing it is. It's definitely a winning dish, and it complements well with a bowl of hot steamed rice. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed cooking this. If you like this video, please stay tuned to my upcoming gourmet creation contents. Thanks for watching Vinny's Artisan Journey. Your support to subscribe to my channel means so much to me. Please turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post my new videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share too. Till then, take care.